Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look at the charts. About yesterday's video, about an hour after I published the video, I changed my mind a little and I made a comment on it. I sticked the comment to the wall, like I pinned it on the YouTube section, telling you guys I changed my mind a little because we were dumping and we were still seeing premiums. Premiums were running up while we dumped. So that's when I reach out to you guys in the comment section and make sure if you watch the video, if anything is there. Yeah, we were dumping, we were going down, and I saw premiums climb. So yeah, make sure you always take a look at the comments if you watch the video. Sometimes I change my mind and then I will comment on the video. So yeah, what happened? We broke down. It wasn't looking too good. Premiums were running up while we dumped. We can't see it in this chart, but in live action you can see it on Bitmex and you can see it on Bybit. You can see it on other exchanges. People were longing a bit too much. That means fuel is being added to the downside. So that's exactly what happened. What did we do? Well, we found a bottom over here. Exactly the low over here. VPVR maybe even lines up pretty much. Well, if we break through this one, we lose some support, as you can see. Luckily now we're seeing discounts, so that is good. In other markets, the dollar, for example, over here bounced quite strong today. The S&P 500 made a retest on this trend line and this high over here. They're making a scary lot of taps on this trend line over here. A break of that could see quite a bit of downside. Gold dumped as well. The Nasdaq did a nasty drop as well. They made a retest of their previous all-time highs. They have a lot of support over here on this top, on this top, and this top. But I mean, yeah, it's just the first retest. But bad day for everything except the dollar. So yeah, back to Bitcoin. Let's zoom out a little bit and see where we can find supports. Well, the biggest one, of course, well, the first one is this one. Second one, this one. A lot of people are already calling for a long time for 13.8. That was last year's high as well. So logical one. They expected and wanted a retest. The daily, however, is looking very good for Bitcoin. That seems like the perfect reversal candle. So there's nothing wrong with that. Let's go to the 4 hour. We like the 4 hour a lot because the 4 hour chart always includes funding periods. And that's what we do over here. We look a lot at funding periods. And we had, of course, a break of a trend line over here. We had this one first. Then we had this one. And that was basically yesterday. So, I mean, that is what it is about right now. Do I see any hopium? Yes, I do. Let's go to the 15-minute and we can see this one. I was drawing it earlier on Bitmex and on Bitcoin Wisdom. I was sharing it in one of my tweets. But yes, this is the hopium right now. VPVR, does that show anything? Not really on a lower time frame. Yes, it does. We can see a lot of volume over here. Getting above it will bring us quickly to 18.6. Here is the tweet I shared earlier. If you're new to doing TA, I recommend using Bitcoin Wisdom. It's free, it doesn't require any sign up, and it works really well. That's where I learned to do TA. So yeah, what else for Bitcoin? Not really anything. Let's take a look. Majority last 24 hours, all shorts, all the major exchanges. Fundings, I mean, they're all kind of flattish. Not really big negative fundings anywhere. So yeah, let's take a look at Ethereum. This is what I'm seeing for Ethereum. This trend line over here, we had the 4th tap on it right now, or the 3rd, whoever you want to see it. Yeah, what I would expect for Ethereum right now is kind of a bounce. You would say it follows Bitcoin, but I mean, it can always change, of course. But yeah, this is something I'm seeing for Ethereum. Of course, yeah, it does. Yeah, has a lot of in common with Bitcoin on how it acts, of course. But I mean, this one is looking a bit more clear to me. I'm still trading to the upside. I mean, we're very close to all-time highs, but I am keeping my trades to the upside. Yeah, a lot of people are calling for reversal. I wouldn't be ready for that yet. We are very high. A bigger correction is possible, of course, but yeah, I feel I'm trading to the upside. One of the best viewers I have asked me yesterday to take a look at dot.usd. And this is basically what I'm seeing. It's getting very tight on dot. Can we extend this one? Not really. This top line pretty clear. Lower time frame, I would be seeing this trend line as well on the 4 hour. Yeah, you could see this one as a fake out and a really big engulfing on the 4 hourly. So yeah, they showed some strength. Right now, horizontally, very important spot over here. A lot of action on it over here, a lot of action on it over here, here, and here. I mean, over here, retest on it as well. So you can see it is a very important spot. So what is it gonna do? I mean, I'm not sure. Depends on Bitcoin as well, I think. Could do something like this because here is a big resistance. If they break out to the upside over here, it will go straight up, probably much sooner. Like this, go to the all-time highs. And that's about it for today. If you want to trade with some leverage, like I do, make sure you use one of these sign-up links. They give you discounts on your trading fees, which is very important, of course, because trading fees eat your profits. Also, they're in the video description, and make sure to subscribe. And see you guys again tomorrow. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any critics or feedbacks, also let me know. See you guys again tomorrow.